Hey guys, Kelly in California, and I'm continuing the succulent maintenance at the Cactus Patch. And tonight I am going to lift up this agave mama and try and get her pup out of here, and then clean up this area and do a little planting. I've got a few succulents that I've managed to scrape up from around the garden, and I'll plug those in. I'll dress it up with some gravel, so let's get going. Okay, I've got her all loosened up. I'm gonna see if I can just pull the pup right out. So here we go, let's try. Between a rock and a hard place, so to speak, I've got a euphorbia right here, another cactus which broke off of the big cluster right here. So it's gonna be some dangerous territory I'm treading. Wish me luck. Not too bad. It has some good roots, so good job. Okay, baby's out. Yay. So now I'm just going to kind of clean up mama a little bit and then pack the soil back in and then get started putting gravel out and placing other succulents in the cactus patch. I found another baby. Score! So I'm pooped. Sun is going down, so I'm working against the clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the gravel laid in. And there you have it. I just made it before the sun went down, and whew, it was a lot of work, but it really paid off. I'm going to plug a few more things in this week, bits and bobs, and just dress it up a little bit more. And yep, that's the cactus patch. Succulent maintenance all done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and give us a thumbs up, and we will see you soon.